Hello everyone! Welcome po sa ating video for today. And as you can see on the title, I'm gonna be unboxing, which is my ever first time to receive or to have a Labubu bag charm, which is this time authentic. Because last time yung first unboxing ko, it was I thought that was original, pero hindi ko naman dapat kailangan mag-expect na original yon kasi medyo may cheaper yung price na nakuha ko sa kanya. So I think it's a little bit of super class A, or I think ganon. This time I'm gonna be unboxing one of the OGs or original, first time ko. So this is my first ever Labubu item that is OG. And yung nakuha ko pa is yung version 2. Oh my gosh, version 2. So which is much mahal over sa version 1, which yung version 1 is yung Labubong na nakatayo, and then sa version 2 naman is yung yung have a seat, kasi dalawang version siya, yung macaron, yung version 1 yan, and then yung have a seat. So the one that I have here is have a seat. So let's see kung ano yung yung nakuha ko. Kasi random blind box po yung kinuha ko, and this was referred to me. So this is priced at 2,000, I think 2002. Yes, 2,200 something like that. Okay, so praying and manifesting na purple. Ano ba yung character na purple? Kasi mostly na mga items ko talaga purple talaga yung makukuha ko talaga parate. So let's see. I don't know pero pink person ako. So excited na ako, guys. Wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Let's open this one. Still contacting the seller na kinunan ko nito, ng item na to, kung pwede ako mag-resell sa kanya ng mga original Labubu items. So just comment down below, guys. And I'm super excited na, oh my gosh, ito na talaga. Manghihi. Mag-open man eh. Uy. Okay. Ito na siya. So, na-open na pala nito. Hindi. Very careful sila, guys, ha. So, what I have here is to have a seat. And as I've noticed, ito po siya. Meron pong QR code dyan. So, let's try yung QR code mamaya. If this is gonna be working. Okay, so let's open. Oh my gosh. Open. Ito yung dapat natin i-ano. Okay, open na natin. Okay, open na natin. And I'm not gonna look what's inside. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is real. This is so real. This is authentic. Authentic to, guys. 2,200 yung nakuha ko nito. But I'm praying to sell this. Or not this one, but to sell also one of the Labubus din, na mga originals din. So, let's open. All together in 3, 2, 1. Purple. Ano ba yung pag-open ko na? Ay, kabitin man yun. OMG, yung purple! Hello! Oh my gosh, guys. Siya talagang nakuha ko. Pwede yung hangin sa labas. Oh my gosh! Guys! And then, yun. Matuturn down yung ulo nila. Pwede mo siyang ayan. So, OG. Paano mo malaman na original? Ewan ko ba? Basta, yung head is, pwede mo siyang ma-turn. Tapos yung kamay, yes! Ma-move siya, pero hindi mo lang siya yung kanyang, yung paa. And then, guys, so, naka-emboss talaga. As you can see there, naka-emboss talaga yung kanyang paa. Nakakaloka. Tapos yung kamay niya, pwede mo siyang ma-move. Movable siya, guys. OMG. Purple. Wait lang. Ano yung pangalan ng oh! Original! Ah! This is my first ever Labubu! Lord, thank you! Yung pangalan niya is si Zizi. Si Zizi siya. And I'm also rooting for, yung secret. Pero gustong-gusto ko to. Oh my gosh, yung purple talaga. Meant to be talaga sa akin si purple. Ito pala yung yung sabi nila na kailangan, paano mo malaman kung original siya. Kasi round face dapat yung mukha ni Labubu. Ito yung exciting macaron ko na fake. So, nakuha ko to sa Shopee. And I think it's much cheaper, of course. And as you can see here, the difference between the two, makikita nyo talaga, guys. Pero hindi naman siya kailangan dapat si exciting macaron, it should not be compared to version 2, which is the Have a Seat na series. Kasi magkaiba naman sila. Same lang daw siya sa exciting macaron, which is movable yung kanyang mga arms, yung kanyang feet, and then yung ulo niya, pwede mo siya talagang i-twist. Nakakaloka, pwede siyang i-twist. Compared dito na hindi. Ayan, no, talagang tahi lang talaga siya. Tapos yung ipin, yung pinaka-importante pala, guys, is your ipin. Kailangan nating i-count yung ipin niya. Dapat 9 lang daw. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 yung teeth, yung original. Pero si fake, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Ayan, guys, if you wanted to spot on the authenticity of your item, then yun, isa sa mga kailangan mong i-list. We have this one. Ayan, ito siya, si Zizi, guys. Si Zizi po ang nakuha natin. Nakakaloka. Stay tuned for the upcoming na mga unboxing din, because marami pa akong ini-inquire at marami din akong in-order ng mga Labubu items na hopefully na legit din sila. Ayan. So, stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See ya on my next one. Bye! Ala, grabe. May ganito pa pala yun. Yung nasa paa niya. Ito, guys, so much closer look. Ayun. As in, grabe talaga. Parang ayaw ko siyang ilabas. Oh my gosh. This is so legit. More to come po. More to come, Labubu.